Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we're going to be seeing if the solar system, or the planets I guess, would survive a supernova from Alpha Centauri. So if you didn't know, Alpha Centauri is 4.37 light years away, so we're going to see if a supernova from that distance would affect our solar system in any way. So yeah, we're going to see what Universe Sandbox does about it, because remember, Universe Sandbox may not always be accurate with supernovas since sometimes they act different to other times. It's weird. But anyways, let's go leave our custom simulation here and go into a new solar system. So let's go right here. And there we go. And also, guys, many thanks to all the people who have subscribed recently. Because like I said in yesterday's video, the subscriber count has gone up so much in the last few days. Can't thank everyone enough. And also, what I'm thinking about as well, I said it in yesterday's video, say it here again as well. Should I make a video at Kennedy Space Center in Florida, so Orlando? So should I do it? Because wait, is it even in Orlando? I don't know. I'm not American. I don't really know. But yeah, I'm going to Florida for a few weeks in July. So should I make a video when I go to NASA? Because yes, like one of my favorite places to go. So should I do it? Like, tell me right now. I'm pretty sure you guys will like it, because like I said in the live stream, or like I mentioned in last video about the live stream, you guys seem to really want me to do a video there. So yeah, just tell me in the comments if you think I should do it. But anyways, enough of that. So let's get into this. So if you didn't know, Alpha Centauri, we're just using Alpha Centauri A here since that is the main star. So it's 4.37 light years away, I believe. Let's have a look. Yeah, 4.37 light years away. So we're going to be doing this right now. So we're going to make it go just in a still. Alright, 4.37 light years. We've got to go pretty far out here. Alright, 4.37 or 37. So right there. So that is how far Alpha Centauri is from the Sun. So if we look here, I'm going to turn off all of the orbits and stuff. Whereabouts is it? Is it where is it? I can't even find it. That's how small it is from this distance. It is a similar size to the Sun as well. Slightly larger, and I think it's more of an older star as well, just by a little bit. Let's see if the game. So the game says it's 6 galactic years old. The Sun is only 4.66. So apparently, yeah, this is older. So pretty interesting stuff. So Alpha Centauri is all the way out here, and then the Sun is right there. So if we turn off the labels, as you can see there, we just go past Alpha Centauri. The Sun is just a tiny little dot in the Milky Way. That is how far away these stars are, and just because they're so small as well. But anyways, we are going to make this star go bang and see what happens. So we're going to go to powers here, explode, and we're going to slow down time here. We're going to look from our solar system, so probably from the Sun's point of view, and we're going to try and spot this supernova happening. So we press explode, and there we go. So we've just got a supernova which has been created. Now we want to go back to the Sun, wherever it is, because it's very small. So go back to the Sun and actually try and find what is left of Alpha Centauri, because as we can see, we can't really see anything right now. But yeah, the Sun is right here, but can't even see a supernova yet. So let's zoom in here and go all the way to the Sun. Now we want to try and look for this supernova. So let's hit play. We literally got to find it. I literally have no idea where this supernova is going to be. That's how far away it is. Alright, so let's speed this up now. And that supernova is getting a lot larger every single second as well. So we'll keep an eye on where the planets are. And I literally cannot find it. Whereabouts is it? Is that it there? Nope. Yeah, that supernova is really far away. Jeez, that is crazy. Alright, so we're going to have to speed it up more until it comes large enough in the sky to spot it. So, any sign of it yet? It's still just so far away, we can't even spot it. It's amazing how far the distance is. And this is the closest star to the Sun as well. So, imagine if it was like the outside of the Milky Way, we wouldn't even see the supernova in the night sky. Any sign of it yet? Nope. Still no supernova. We'd definitely see it if it was a larger size. Oh, there it is! We found it. Alright, so the supernova is there, so we can keep an eye out. So, as we can see, it's not that large yet. We'll go to Mercury here just to have a quick look. So this is probably how large it would look from most of the planets, since they're all so close to the Sun. So, yeah, the supernova just looks like anything else in the night sky. It doesn't look like anything different. It looks like it belongs there. But as time goes on, we'll go to Earth for this as well. So let's go to Earth, as we can see here. Let's go to Earth, and we have a little look around. Okay, where's the supernova gone again? Alright, there's the supernova. So if we hit play now and speed this up, the supernova is slightly getting larger. Now I think about this point we may start to get concerned of how large it is in the night sky, because that's pretty big. So not good. And then at this point we're probably going to realise this is a supernova. It's coming for us. Help! Like But now we just have to play the waiting game and see if this supernova would actually affect our solar system in any way. Because remember, it has got 4 light years, or 4.37 light years to travel from its original distance. So this will be pretty interesting stuff. Is it actually going to affect our solar system in any way? And now it's just humongous. Like if we look from the surface of Earth here, so let's go to around this point here maybe. So it's a nice at night time. If we look here and look up, that supernova is pretty big. So yeah, pretty scary stuff if this was to ever happen, and it probably will happen eventually. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool to see this. But as we can see, the supernova, we zoom out here as well. So the furthest object would be Sedna, wherever it is, or this one right now. Or there's Sedna. So we'll go on to so the closest one would be Sedna as its furthest, but currently the supernova has not hit the solar system yet. But any second now, we can see the supernova is starting to hit the solar system. So if we speed it up more, we're travelling years here. It would take years. So if we were ever going to prepare to survive a supernova, we would have plenty of years to prepare. But it just depends if it would not. But maybe it won't affect us, because honestly, by this point, the material was so spread out from its original location that it may not affect us. But this is just a game, and we may not be able to simulate this. I don't know if the game's actually going to give us a decent, answer to this question, if it was going to survive a supernova from Alpha Centauri. But if there was a supernova in our solar system, the sun, for instance, yeah, we would definitely all be finished. iPad, shut up. Yeah, but we would definitely be finished if the sun was to explode, because obviously that's our support of life and gravity. It holds everything together. But yeah, not good. So if we hit pause here, look at any of the objects, everything looks pretty much normal. So I think to conclude from this, if Alpha Centauri or any nearby star was to explode, nothing would happen to our solar system, because it was 4 light years away. All the heat and material is so far spread apart, I'm guessing, that it just doesn't really affect us. Like, but anyone got a good answer to this? Like, would this happen in real life if Alpha Centauri was to explode, for example, or is the game completely wrong and I'm wrong and stuff? Like, you can tell me. I don't mind anyone going against what I say, because yeah, this is more of like a theory. Like, it's always good to theorize, and you're never going to be right 100% of the time. So yes, I'll be good and interesting to see what you guys have to say about this. But at this point, if we just hit pause here, it is so bright because we are pretty much inside the supernova now, or what's left of the supernova. So if we land on Earth, oh, the North Pole has gone. That's a little interesting. Maybe that's just normal. But if we look in the sky, no matter where you look, apart from maybe that area, you can just about see the Milky Way, but no matter where you look, the whole sky is covered in supernova. Like, if we slow it down as well to a few hours, let's come on, months, come on, slow down. Let's pause it and slow it down. Okay, days. Okay, it didn't pause for some reason. Okay, we're almost there. Hours. Okay, here we go. So we're going a few seconds here. So as we can see, even at a few seconds, this entire sky is just covered with supernova, and it probably light up the whole Earth as well. Wait, why is it freezing? iPad, be quiet. Let me put you on silent. Shut up. All right, so why is Earth freezing? That's a little interesting. That is very peculiar. How has the orbits changed? Maybe something did happen. Wait, oh no, the orbit looks completely fine. Okay, interesting. That is peculiar. Okay, so if we speed this up again, let the supernova advance again. So yeah, the whole solar system is inside the supernova now, pretty much. But it doesn't look like the supernova affects us. So is this correct, or would something else happen? Like, would the planets get vaporized? I don't know. So yeah, if anyone knows an answer to, or has any suggestions what would happen, yeah, please leave a comment down below, because that would be pretty interesting. So now we can just speed this up until okay, I don't think it's going to speed up, since it's simulating all the planets as well. I don't think we can really speed it up much more than 18 years. But supernovas last for thousands of years, so yeah, we ain't going to get rid of the supernova anytime soon. So we're just going to delete it. Wait, not the sun. We don't want the sun. Select supernova and then do delete supernova. Right, let's just do Control D. That's faster. So from the looks of it, nothing happened. Wait, why is there like a giant circle there? What the heck? Wait, oh, there we go. I fixed it. All right. So yeah, it looks like absolutely nothing happened. So if Alpha Centauri was to explode, according to what the game simulates, our solar system will be completely fine. So unless it's the sun blowing up, we're good. We are good. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, leave a subscribe. Leave a like and subscribe for more. Damn, I really messed up there. Yeah, so leave a like, subscribe for more, and if you have any suggestions for another video, or you want me to go to NASA and make that video like I said at the start of the video, or you've got anything against this video, like you want to discuss theories or anything like that, leave a comment down below. It'd be interesting to see what you guys have to say. So yeah, enough of that. Hopefully you all enjoyed, like I said, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Make sure we have a good day. But anyways, peace. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video. And today we're going to be seeing if the solar system, or the planets I guess, would survive a super simulation here and go into a new solar system. So let's go right here, and there we go. And also guys, many thanks to all the people who have subscribed recently, because like I said in yesterday's video, the subscriber count has gone up so much in the last few days. Can't thank everyone enough. And also what I'm thinking about as well, I said it in yesterday's video, say it here again as well, supernova from Alpha Centauri. So if you didn't know, Alpha Centauri is 4.37 light years away. So we're going to see if a supernova from that distance would affect our solar system in any way. So yeah, we're going to see what Universe Sandbox does about it, because remember, Universe Sandbox may not always be accurate with supernovas, since sometimes they act different to other times. It's weird. But anyways, let's go leave our custom. Should I make a video at Kennedy Space Center in Florida, so Orlando? So should I do it? Because wait, is it even in Orlando? I don't know. I'm not American. I don't really know. But yeah, I'm going to Florida for a few weeks in July. So should I make a video when I go to NASA? Because yes, like one of my favorite places to go. So should I do it? Like, tell me right now. I'm pretty sure you guys will like it, because like I said in the live stream, or like I mentioned in last video about the live stream, you guys seem to really want me to do a video there. So yeah, just tell me in the comments if you think I should do it. But anyways, enough of that. So let's get into this. So if you didn't know, Alpha Centauri, we're just reusing Alpha Centauri.